Hello there, I'm Ariana Hunter, real estate broker for Su Casa, Su Castillo, and today we're talking about fence. And we're talking about who is responsible and who pays for the fence. For the most part, both of them, according to the law, both property owners are responsible for changing the fence and maintaining it because both people or both properties benefit from having a fence. But for the most part, is the one that cares more, the one who initiates the change. The one who wants to change it is usually the one who tells the neighbor. They let them know isn't all in agreement. Maybe they decide to split the cost. But if it really bothers the person, then they go ahead and pay for it all, especially if they want the nicer side and they're facing them. Otherwise, most people, you should really ask if you're going to change your fence, but most people do not. Most people just go ahead and change out the fence, and the reason is that they don't want to bother their neighbor. But a lot of people, if the reason they don't want to go half and half like that is because they don't want to have to use their deductible if they have the insurance, or maybe they want to incur the cost. It might bother one neighbor more than the other. So usually is the one that cares, the one that go ahead and initiate the change. If they both agree and they both could share the cost, that's great. But if not, is the one that cares the most, the one who pays, because it matters more to them, even though they both benefit from it. Okay, I hope this has helped you. Until next time.